I'll do a copyright on YouTube. I say that's my face.
Can copyright your face on me?
Yeah, of course it's my face. Then I say that this guy took video of me indirectly. Then I will just report you. Then you'll ban your entire account.
Hey guys, welcome to another brand new episode of Random Review Squad. It's me, Thiru, and I'm here with Wei-Tek. Wei-Tek is getting a new iPhone, right? And we're gonna be the first Singaporeans. Not first Singaporean. Is this the first day of? Yeah, it's the first day of getting iPhone, so we're gonna try that out. Are you gonna be like the one who unbox outside the shop, then the thing drop?
I think he's the worst YouTuber in Singapore.
Yes, I am the worst YouTuber. Way to have good friends who are encouraging. My man Wei-Tek is inside getting his new phone. Got to see this new iPhone. Check it out. Apparently you got the iPhone 12 black version.
How do you feel, bro?
This
feels sexy, bro. Oh my god, look at it. And I open item. iPhone 12. Look at that. Look at all the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro sold out. Hey. Wei-Tek down there. He go and get his iPhone.
Huh?
He went to get his iPhone 12.
Did you buy it?
Yeah, he bought.
哦，是这个啊。
这个啦，我还没有换。
5.8 got so long meh? Like you say 6 each thing, you know?
Okay. Hi, Mr. Wei-Tek. This is Mr. Wei-Tek's iPhone 12. Right, it's a brand new iPhone 12. Just came out. Got it today. We're gonna open it up, check it out. So straight away you can see the box. There's no charger. There's no charger in the box. Alright, so I asked if Mr. Wei-Tek is gonna use MagSafe. He said no, he's a broke boy, so he cannot use MagSafe. So he's probably gonna use old charger. Okay. Alright. Let's go. So this is the iPhone 12. Comes in a white cover. Just pull that out. Ooh. Oh, it actually looks quite good. It feels pretty light. Actually, compared to your XR, this is lighter. It's much lighter. It's the square. It feels. It's thinner. Yeah, it's definitely thinner. You can feel the thinness compared to the. So Wei-Tek's previous phone is a XR. So wow. Okay, look at it. I mean, it's smudgy lah, but worth it. Inside the box, you have the standard Lightning to USB-C cable, and then you have what is this? This sticker. Yeah, you got an Apple sticker.
I have no idea what's the use of Apple.
The SIM tool. Alright, this is the SIM tool, and then we have some warranty cards. So pretty simple. They claim that they are saving the earth, but that's debatable, huh? Debatable. And Designed by Apple in California. Alright. So both the front and the back is Gorilla Glass, and then the side is aluminum. So you can see the front and back is shiny. So you probably have to protect it with your life, like your weapon during the army days. You know, protect it like your wife. If not, you got two sides that is going to be cracked. Apple. So this is an OLED screen. The previous iPhone 11 was an LCD screen actually. So this is a proper OLED screen, HDR10, 1200 nits brightness, and there you have it. It's on. I think in the camera you can actually see the sensors working. Probably facial recognition and all that. No thumbprint sensor whatsoever. Fits nicely in the hand though. It feels good. So this is 14.1. You've got widgets, but this is clean UI. Welcome to the app library. Okay. And then some widgets there. Standard iOS stuff. It looks really nice. So I think the edges are more curved than they were in the previous phones, to be honest. I think your phone, the edges are much sharper. These are much more curved. It looks cool. Okay, so let's try out some stuff. Alright, so this is iPhone 12. Let's talk about the specs first. I think the specs is FHD plus screen, so slightly above 1080p. OLED HDR10, so that's the display. 6.1 inch display. This is for the iPhone 12. What else do you have? You got two camera setup, both 12 megapixel, one ultra wide and one normal main. I think the normal wide angle sensor, right? You don't have a telephoto on this, and then you have the flash right there. Yeah, the A14 Bionic. Okay, so their processor, of course, is always top of the notch, top of the line processor. Oh yeah, IP68. It's IP68 waterproof, so you can go 6 meters into the water for 30 minutes. Of course, MagSafe charging from the back. Alright, I don't know how they do that, maybe because it's glass, so they can do that. Right, so the display is much more stronger. No, apparently 4 times stronger. You drop, it should be able to tahan. Right, because the ceramic shield, like the spaceship, you know, spaceship was ceramic. Also, out of the 30 times you drop, only one flipping break. Never broke. So yeah, I guess it's strong lah, it's strong lah. But you don't know about this design, you see, that's the thing. So because now it's a flat design, right? There can be an issue of the you know, hitting and then where the force kind of disperses. Of course, it has 5G. If you're a content creator, get an iPhone. I think, to be honest, that's like a very good backup camera. Currently, I think it's like the best backup camera you can have. Okay, let's go and check out some YouTube. Today, I will be talking about, in fact, reviewing the bottom end got firing speaker, on top also got one speaker firing. Big shout out to tech360.tv for sending me this keyboard. I had real good fun. And the screen is good lah. Looks pretty good. It makes my video look good. That's how good the screen is. This is Photo 1x. And then you have a 0. Oh shit. Okay, that's pretty wide. 0.5x. Right, and then there's a back to 1x. And then you go to portrait. Portrait, you got like different lighting. So like you can use different lighting. So the natural lights. One portrait. Oh, the portrait got someone eh. Oh yeah. Got panorama, and then of course we have video. Video is the big one. So we got HD 30, 60, yeah, 60. And you got 4K, 4K 30, 4K 60, 4K 24, and back to HD. Alright, so I'm not gonna really take a video, but sure, there's slow-mo. Okay. And then there's a time-lapse video, which I'm not gonna do, of course. Alright, time-lapse. Alright. Looks dope. So it's a 12 megapixel. I don't know like how you see, that's the difference between the software and the hardware, like between two different companies. Like you look at Apple and Google, all they have are 12 megapixel sensors. But then like you have Xiaomi and Huawei putting in like 48 megapixel and 100 megapixels. But then like they somewhat achieve the similar quality, but the thing is you cannot beat this 12 megapixel software.
processing.
It's the image processing power that they have. But I still don't know why, with so much power that Apple has, they don't have like a proper assistant. Like Siri should be better. Like they should have banked a lot more on Siri. I think that's why Google's winning on that end with the assistant. If you like this content, you must hit the like button, right? Smash the subscribe button, and if you have any comments about the iPhone 12, leave your comments down in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm your host Tiru. That is Weitek, Mr. Weitek, owner of the new iPhone 12. Very proud owner of the new iPhone 12. And this is Random Review Squad. Until next time, bye.